I'm Isabel. I am the founder of My French Recipe, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a French pound cake using our baking mix. For this recipe we need the mix, of course, 3 eggs and 1 stick of butter. I already melted it. We're gonna use a mixing bowl, a loaf pan, and a baking spray. And finally, the whisk. That's all we need to make this cake. Okay, the first step of the recipe is putting the baking spray. So I use baking spray, but you can also use parchment paper if you prefer. So everywhere in the pan so it doesn't stick. Now, we are going to use the baking mix. So let's open it and pour it inside the bowl. I pour everything here. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the eggs. So we have 3 eggs and I'm gonna crack them directly inside the mix. Yep. I'm gonna mix everything until combined. Make sure to grab all the flour that is on the bottom. And now I can add the butter. All of it, so 1 stick of unsalted butter that is melted. And we mix again until everything is combined. Slowly, you don't want to splash butter everywhere. So this cake is great because it's very versatile. You can add a lot of things inside. It's a great basis for a marble cake with chocolate, for example, chocolate chips, blueberry, lemon cake. You can add some icing on the top. And I also use it as a base for a cupcake because it's very moist, very buttery. It has a great taste by itself. Okay, and that's all. We are ready. Okay, the batter is ready and I'm just gonna pour everything inside the pan. So I call this cake French pound cake because it's very close to the American pound cake, just a little bit lighter. The cake is ready. It's been in the oven for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. You can see that is brown, golden brown on the top. It rises a little bit. It looks very, very good. I let it cool down already so I can put it in my plate here. You can see the edges are golden brown. It rises a little bit, so it's really, really pretty. Now would be also a good time if you want to add any icing on the top, like lemon icing or any kind of icing you like actually. Or you can just eat it like that. It's really, really, really good by itself.